Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Zoom Workplace application, formerly known as Zoom, on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Go to the search box at the top and type in Zoom and search. Look for this Zoom Workplace application from Zoom Communications Inc. and then tap on the Install or the Get button to start downloading the app on your mobile device. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the Zoom Workplace application on your smartphone. You can now go ahead and start joining a meeting right away, or create a new account or sign in to Zoom Workplace. Zoom Workplace emerges as the all-in-one powerhouse, transforming how we connect, communicate, and get things done. And that's it. You are now ready to start using Zoom Workplace like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.